So I found a couple work from home jobs that will train you, and one of them tells you exactly when you're going to start. Let's get into them. So the first one I'm bringing to you comes to us from Perfect Serve. This is a company that works specifically in the healthcare industry. They optimize provider scheduling, streamline clinical collaboration, and improve patient and family communication across all care settings. And the job I'm sharing is for a Tier 1 support specialist. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. And right here on the job description, they tell us they'll pay you $19 an hour, plus give you a comprehensive benefits package, which becomes effective your first day of employment. You'll start September 22nd, 2025, and they'll train you. The training session will run Monday through Friday Eastern Time Zone hours. Once initial onboarding and training are complete, you'll start working your scheduled shift assignment. And speaking of your shift assignment, they tell us right here they have some Monday through Friday daytime schedules available. Most schedules require support professionals to work one weekend day. The ability to work some holidays is also required, and they want you to have the willingness and excitement to work evenings or overnight. So this is your typical entry-level tech support kind of position where you'll be responsible for supporting and delighting Perfect Serve's end users who are physicians, nurses, and system administrators. You'll support general user account management, end user education, on-call schedule management, mobile and web interface assistance, application builds and revisions, and application troubleshooting. So what that means is you'll field incoming client communications via phone, chat, and the company's online customer portal. And it sounds like that's their proprietary system, so they will train you on that. You'll help end users administer their Perfect Serve applications, train end users on how best to use Perfect Serve's phone, mobile, and web applications, and own basic to advanced troubleshooting efforts related to message delivery and/or message content issues. You'll identify root causes and make the appropriate configuration changes to resolve the issue. You'll consult, design, configure, and deploy custom applications, leveraging best practices to meet workflow needs of Perfect Serve's end users. Build and revise new user accounts, work with end users and hospital IT personnel to troubleshoot mobile and web connectivity issues, and collaborate with other Perfect Serve teams on escalated technical issues. So they expect you to have your camera on during internal and external meetings to encourage engagement and foster a sense of connection. They also want you to have strong technical aptitude. You have excellent communication, analytical, and troubleshooting skills. You're able to work in a fast-paced environment and successfully prioritize competing tasks. You have high customer empathy, exceptional customer service skills, and access to high-speed internet. So remember, this job starts September 22nd, 2025. They'll train you, and benefits start your first day. So let's move on to another work-from-home job that will train you. And it comes to us from Allegiance. They're part of the larger Cigna healthcare company. This job is for a health claims examiner. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And right here on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you $19 per hour. So when I read through this job description, it doesn't look like they're requiring a whole lot, if any, related work experience. You do need to be comfortable using a computer. And right here they tell us upon hire, fraud training is provided by the company. So this job was posted a week ago. It's still on their careers page, so that tells me it's still available. And I look at it like this. Within the first couple of days of a job being posted, companies get inundated with applicants. And now it's been a week, maybe things have mellowed out a little bit, so now's the time for you to swoop in with your application and snag this job. So you'll be responsible for the accurate and timely processing of medical, dental, vision, and prescription claims. You're expected to provide courteous and prompt responses to customer inquiries. So this is a really good opportunity to get your foot in the door in claims processing. You'll verify the accuracy and receipt of all required documentation for each claim submitted, collaborate with providers, plan participants, other claims payers, or any other party necessary to obtain information necessary to accurately process a claim. You'll analyze information necessary for processing, and this includes but is not limited to general participant and provider information, managed care affiliation, diagnosis codes, dates, place, time of service, procedure codes, and charges. You'll assure the system processes the claim correctly and determines payment according to the plan as written, which means you'll do some word process correspondence, answer telephone calls from plan participants and other individuals, resolve problematic claims, assign critically ill patients to larger case management, assist other examiners as needed, aid the team leader and/or claims manager in resolution of claims, and research, calculate, and request refunds when necessary. You'll also contribute to the daily workflow with regular and punctual attendance, and And that means you'll thoroughly research and complete renewal reports, process eligible claims, assist the legal department with subrogation claims as necessary, attend various group meetings as required, assist with audits as needed, and also assist with plan benefit setup and changes as needed. So to qualify for this position, they want you to have a high school diploma or a GED, and again, they'll provide some training, and they want you to have basic computer and customer service experience. You have excellent communication skills. You're able to learn all functions of the claims processing software. You're able to adapt to software changes as they occur. You can type 45 words per minute. You have excellent listening and math skills, and you have high level of interpersonal skills to work effectively with others. And of course, you need to be organized, you're detail-oriented, and you can read, analyze, and interpret various documentation. You can meet productivity standards, you have a thorough knowledge of claims processing procedures and requirements. You can work under pressure, meet deadlines, analyze and solve problems, operate typical office equipment, and you have a working knowledge of general office procedures. Now, this requirement might stump some of you, a thorough knowledge of claims processing procedures and requirements. They're not saying you need claims processing experience, so what I recommend doing is an internet search, learn all you can about claims processing procedures and requirements. So that pretty much does it for this job. In fact, we just went over 2 work-from-home jobs that will train you. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more easy work-from-home jobs, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.